Hi, welcome back to my channel. Kokoidon is here, and now I'm going to review a newest bag from Vuitton. Wow, this item is really rare. I booked this bag for 4 months ago and it just arrived yesterday. So without taking any much longer, I will review this bag. But before, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's check this one out. Wow, ta-da! Yeah, you are right. This is the gorgeous trio messenger by Louis Vuitton. Look at this bag, it's really cool. Actually, this bag released after the multi-pochette for woman collection, and now Louis Vuitton released the men collection. This bag cost $1,960, but actually I got the lowest price of the online shop because all of them is marked this price up. I already booked from May 2020 and it just arrived yesterday in the October 2020. It takes 4 months. So I'm gonna show you the details. This bag is really hyped in social media. It already launched since 26th of June and in some countries got it on time, but some other countries delayed because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The bag is full covered with Eclipse Reverse monograms and contains 3 different pouches in different sizes. The black strap has Louis Vuitton leather. It's adjustable and removable. The silver hardware of this bag made this bag really look stunning from a distance. Let's start with the small one. This is the smallest pouch. I think it should be contain some coins or cards maybe, or another small things I guess. One side colored black and reverse in another side. It has keychain, then can you clip anywhere you want. The size is very handy and absolutely super cute. The middle one has different color from the big one, and we can remove it by unlock the keychain. You can use this one as a poche, or you can clip it by another strap which you like. The stud is rotatable also. The biggest pouch is the main bag of the trio messenger. It only has one zipper inside. The material is fabric lining and full of the color, so you don't have to mind carry anything in your bag. There is a compartment inside the bag, but I know the size is not really big, but it will help you to separate things. I really wish this have two zippers so you can use it left or right side. I'll put some stuff so you can imagine what can fit in this bag. So for the summary, this bag is really cool. This bag is really versatile. You can choose how you would look like with this bag because the many of color or the many ways you can choose to use it. So how was the bag? I think everyone will love it because there are many different pouches in different sizes. Look at this. It's really fitting me, absolutely in black shirt. You can wear however you want, which color you like. If you want only go with this bag or only this pouch, you can use it what color you like. Look at this, it's really cool, I think. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope this video really helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you again in another review. Bye bye.